The water and landscape of the Fuchun River tells a unique tale of the city of Fuyang, which lies on its shores. Similarly, the KNSN Group, which developed by the banks of the Fuchun River, also has its own unique story to tell of its history and development. The KNSN Group, under the guidance of its founder Mr. Liu Jingxian, has transformed from a rural startup to an umbrella organization of over 30 companies and over 5,000 employees. Its total capital now exceeding 5 billion yuan. Its main sectors are fabrication, engineering construction, property development, and mining resources. Starting with roots in the Zhejiang province, it's now spread throughout China to take on all manners of development projects around the country. Founded over 40 years ago, the Zhejiang Tea Machinery Company manufactures tea processing machines. Currently, it is the largest manufacturer of tea processing machines in the country. It also helped develop over 15 clauses in the National Tea Processing Standard. It has over 200 different product lines covering 10 major types of tea. It currently occupies 35% of the tea processing market in China, sending its products to different countries around the world, becoming an irreplaceable presence in the current tea processing market. The Hongshi Electrical Appliance Company also has over 40 years of history, manufacturing its products to the British standard, National GB standard, and also the American standard. And annually it manufactures over 80 million pieces of electrical equipment, sending its products to Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. In 2011, the company worked together with Zhejiang University to develop an intelligent appliance program, setting a solid foundation for the future of intelligent appliances in China. Aligning the strengths of its various companies, the KNSN Group today is a major player in the steel industry, piling, and also the construction industry. The group excels in the fabrication of large-span warehouses, multi-story developments, and other specialist steel frames. The KNSN Group today is a leader in its sectors in Zhejiang province. It has achieved the highest certifications in steel construction and design. The group today has operating facilities in over 10 provinces. It also has the highest certifications in housing development and construction contracting. Of the various companies in the group, the Zhejiang Yinghu Construction Company is now on the list of the top recommended contractors for city development. The Hangzhou Jingtai Building and Decorating Company also has the highest certifications in curtain wall design and manufacture and steel glazing. The company is also the only one of its kind in the city of Fuyang to be awarded with the highest certifications in building interior design and fit-out. Today, it's become a name brand throughout the rest of China for interior design. The piling expertise of the KNSN Group is mainly distributed between the provinces of Zhejiang and Jiangsu. The specialist piling companies of the KNSN Group are all respective leaders of their field in the provinces they're based in. The group has invested 250 million yuan in the development of the KNSN Home Improvement Plaza. It has a floor area of 70,000 square meters and is the largest of its kind in Fuyang City, with the most comprehensive catalogue of home improvement supplies. It is a signature development to indicate the growing economy of the city of Fuyang. The Guangde KNSN Business Park is also a significant development of the group. It has a total floor area of 110,000 square meters with an investment capital of 300 million yuan. It is one of the largest developments in the city of Guangde, and it has also helped revitalize the local district, attracting other large brands into the local area. The Zhefu Trade Plaza is another significant development located in Jiangsu province. with an investment capital of over 1 billion yuan over an area of 124,000 square meters. The footprint of the total development exceeds 420,000 square meters, and it is currently used as residential buildings, office blocks, and shopping complexes. In recent years, the KNSN Group has also explored the investment of mining, and nationally it has invested in over 10 different mining companies. The latest example was an acquisition of over 480 million yuan in 2011 of the largest mining resources company in China. The area of the mine exceeds 1.442 square kilometers, with an annual output of 221.6 million tons. And over the last 20 years since its beginnings, its output is now rated at over 7 billion yuan. It is located in the Zhejiang archipelago, which is a prime new development location. The current market value of its stored goods now is estimated to exceed 10 billion yuan. Due to its high level of automation and technological prowess, it's able to have a daily output of over 60,000 tons of material. Due to its unique location by the water, the mine plays a very important role in the development of local shipping docks in the region. It has resulted in the construction of various berths for shipping vessels, 2 for 200,000 ton vessels, 2 for 50,000 ton, 1 for 35,000 ton, and 2 for 3,000 ton ships. The KNSN Group, under the guidance of its director Mr. Liu Jingxian, places heavy emphasis on the development of society and meeting the needs of the surrounding community. Amidst being a leader in industry, it also places high value on social responsibility, charity campaigns, job creation, and also the development of rural communities. These factors ensure that the KNSN Group plays a hugely positive role towards the improvement of the surrounding community. The story of the KNSN Group is still just beginning, and new exciting chapters in its development still await. Due to its wide-ranging capabilities, talented individuals, and ambitious dreams, the KNSN Group has come a long way and has yet still further to travel. There is a bright future lying ahead.